Heuchera Lime Marmalade, your guide to the vibrant, shade-loving perennial. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Heuchera Lime Marmalade, a perennial that injects a burst of lime green into any shady corner. This easy-care plant is a favorite among gardeners, and for good reason. Let's dive into the details. Heuchera Lime Marmalade, also known as coral bells, is a compact, herbaceous perennial prized for its foliage. Unlike many shade-loving plants, lime marmalade boasts stunning lime green leaves that hold their color throughout the season. The foliage forms a neat mound, reaching around 12 inches tall and 18 inches wide. In summer, delicate white flowers rise above the foliage on slender stalks, adding a touch of elegance. Is Heuchera Lime Marmalade easy to grow? Absolutely. Heuchera Lime Marmalade is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in neglect. Here's what you need to know. Light. Prefers partial shade to full shade. Avoid strong afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Well-draining, moist soil is ideal. Amend clay soil with compost or sand for better drainage. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Fertilizer. Not necessary, but a light feeding of balanced fertilizer in spring can promote growth. Pests and diseases. Relatively pest and disease resistant. How do I care for Heuchera Lime Marmalade? Beyond basic watering, Heuchera Lime Marmalade requires minimal care. Here are some tips for optimal growth. Deadheading. Removing spent flowers encourages new blooms. Simply pinch or snip off the flower stalks at the base. Dividing. Can be divided every 3 to 4 years to refresh the plant and create more. Do this in early spring or fall. Winter protection. In colder climates, zones 4 to 6, mulch around the base of the plant in fall to protect the roots from freezing temperatures. Can Heuchera Lime Marmalade be grown in containers? Heuchera Lime Marmalade thrives in containers, making it a perfect choice for patios, balconies, or smaller gardens. Choose a pot with drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. Water regularly and provide afternoon shade during hot summer days. What are the benefits of growing Heuchera Lime Marmalade? There are many reasons to love Heuchera Lime Marmalade. Low maintenance. Requires minimal care, making it ideal for busy gardeners. Shade tolerance. Fills in those hard-to-plant shady areas. Long-lasting color. Vibrant foliage adds interest throughout the season. Versatility. Can be used as a ground cover, border planting, or container specimen. Attracts pollinators. Delicate white flowers attract butterflies and hummingbirds. How does Heuchera Lime Marmalade compare to other shade-loving plants? Here's a quick comparison of Heuchera Lime Marmalade to other popular shade-loving plants. Plant characteristics. Pros. Cons. Heuchera Lime Marmalade. Lime green foliage, white flowers, compact size. Low maintenance, shade tolerant. Vibrant color. Flowers are short-lived. Hosta large, variegated leaves. Shade tolerant. Low maintenance, can be slow growing. Susceptible to slugs. Ferns. Delicate fronds in various textures adds a lush, textural element. Shade tolerant, may require consistent moisture. Still be showy. Feathery plumes of flowers. Shade tolerant. Long bloom time requires more moisture than Heuchera. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Heuchera Lime Marmalade stands out for its low-maintenance nature, vibrant color, and compact size, making it a great all-rounder for shady areas. Conclusion. Heuchera Lime Marmalade is a fantastic perennial that adds a burst of life to any shady garden. Its easygoing nature and vibrant foliage make it a winner for gardeners of all levels. With minimal care, you can enjoy this low-maintenance beauty for years to come. So, if you're looking for a shade-loving plant that packs a punch, look no further than Heuchera Lime Marmalade.